Hold on. Before I start this video, y'all, follow my Instagram, please.
I just keep him satisfied.
Hey you guys, so, ooh, I like this lighter, this hat. Basically, I'm here to show you guys how to figure 8. So today is gonna be a short video, and let's get right to it. But basically, I'm on Instagram. I went to my friend video. Hold on, somebody live. Okay. Basically, I went to my friend's Instagram and I saw the music. I found music. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's low. So basically, like this. So like that. So basically, the first step of figure 8. If you get it like this, don't do like this. Don't do this. Like, you gotta be connected, or you can do it separate. Like, it can do it any way you want it to do. But basically, what you gotta do is basics for y'all. You do your hair like this, like this. Like, basically, you do your hair like this, and this goes this way, and this goes this way. And you swing this around, and this goes back this way, and it flops right back around like this. Yeah. So yeah, this goes this way, this goes this way, goes this way. And you figure 8. No, not like this. Your hair not supposed to be going down. It's supposed to go all the way around, swerve back around, and you have to figure 8. You see, most of my friends say I got the best figure 8 out of all of them. I'm more like, I'm shocked. It took me a long time to learn it too. So that's how you do figure 8. But let me do it up close for y'all so y'all can know. Do it like this. Basically, do your hands like this. This goes this way. This goes this way. Turns back around. And do it again. Do it slow and not fast. It's slow. And let's do it all together. Hold on. Okay. All that touching. So yeah, so that's how you do the figure 8, and I guess I'll talk to y'all when I do my next video. So goodbye.